Hey guys, it's Kate and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, before we even get into this video, I do have to say I absolutely suck at talking on camera. I don't know what it is, I get too much in my head about it and I get shy. It's just like some type of like public speaking fear that I have to get over with, and if I seem awkward or shy, that's why. But I'm very happy you guys are here with me, and I'm so excited to basically announce something very special that happened in July with me and Olivia. You can kind of see a little bit in the background behind me. We got a studio together and I'm very excited to show you the process. It's been a long journey. We got it in July and it's November now.
This is the lovely Olivia herself. She has become one of my best friends throughout the years. Since meeting her, my cosplays, my creations have been completely brought to life by the magic that she brings behind the camera. She really knows what she's doing with photography, and I am so excited to be on this journey with her. I'm so excited to own a studio together, and I cannot wait to show you all the things that we create with this space that we have now.
The special announcement is we want to open it up to you guys, and we want to start hosting events and photo days where we can bring you guys in here and basically give you the experience of dressing up like I do a lot that you see on my page, and get you guys in front of the camera. So I'm very excited to show you this space that we created. It's our space, but also we want it to be your space. I think I'm gonna break this video up into a few parts, obviously getting the studio and showing you guys what that was like. We went to the Brimfield Marketplace, which is one of the biggest thrift and antique markets up here in Massachusetts. A lot of people travel for it. A lot of people come out of state to come to this marketplace. It is huge. We went for 2 days. I got a lot of goodies that I can't wait to show you. Some of them are on this shelf right now. So we're going to be showing you how we decorated it. It is kind of a mess right now. We've been shooting in here recently, so I can't wait to show you some behind the scenes. And yeah, I just wanted to bring you from start to finish. And it's still a work in progress, but we've come so far and I cannot wait to show you.
Remind me to never strip another piece of furniture again.
Yeah, really.
have our design crew here.
About 15.5.
I'm just getting straight at it.
Not for free!
Not for free.
See me turn into a giant woman.
Why is it? Once this is up.
My hero. My queen.
Stop. Literally ready to propose, but okay.
When you don't have a hammer, get a trusty bookend.
There you go.
Hey, what's up? It's Olivia. We are less than 1 week away from launching Phaylight Forge, our studio. And on Monday, we have a photo shoot that we're collaborating with Epic Armory to announce and launch. And it's super exciting. And I have a bunch of craft projects that I'm going to be doing for that shoot today. So I figured I'd take you guys along with me. We just got in a bunch of sticks and branches from Kate's house, all up here in the studio now. And pretty much what I'm gonna be doing today is preparing for our moonlit armored session here in the studio in 2 days. And kind of last minute, I decided that I wanted to have some really cool vines or make some trees that could be used in the photos, cue in the inspiration photos. So I got the cinder blocks to act as a base for the branches, and pretty much what I'm going to do is stick the long branches into the cinder block, and then I'm going to fill it with insulation foam. Basically that makes it a heavyweight freestanding structure that we can use to move around in the studio and create like different compositions with them. So let's get going. All right, here's how far I got today. Had a little setback with not having the right foam, but these are cool. They're taped to the wall right now to kind of help them balance while the foam sets. So excited to use these on Monday.
Bruh.